In front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z5 Premium. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Apps and Settings. Now, enter Display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change brightness level, enable or disable adaptive brightness, change sleep time between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable smart backlight control, image enhancement between off, X reality for mobile and super vivid mode, change font size, display size, system icons, enable or disable screensaver, manage when device is rotated to rotate the content of the screen or stay in portrait view. To start the camera even when the screen is locked, press the power button twice. Thanks to that, we'll jump to the camera. Next we can enable or disable tap to wake up and glow mode. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.